Every expert has watched Cloudflare, Datadome, or 𝗪𝗵𝘁'𝘀𝗁 mercilessly kill a script that was working just fine a minute ago. Don't let them do that. Get yourself a browser that acts and looks like a human. Let me show you how. The tool I'm talking about is Camoufox, a custom build of Mozilla's Firefox made for scraping without getting flagged. It changes the browser underneath at a level the site's script can't see, so they read your session as a real visitor. Most stealth tools work from the outside, stacking tricks onto a normal browser. The site sees through them, and updates break the disguise. Camoufox starts clean, which is why it lasts. So let's set it up. Camoufox runs on Python. One pip command installs it, and the second pulls up the browser engine. Done. Now you're set to scrape. But Camoufox only sorts out the browser. The IP stays exposed, and a flagged one gets blocked before the page even loads. A residential proxy solves that. It routes your traffic through a real home IP, so every request looks like a regular site visitor, not a data center. Decodo's setup guide is linked below if you need one. Once you have your browser and proxies ready, plug your credentials into Camoufox and switch on GeoIP. This matches the browser's time zone and language to the proxy location, so everything stays consistent. Now everything's wired up. Time for a real test. Booking.com serves different rates by region, making it a good way to verify both the proxy and GeoIP settings. Point it there, wait for the listings, and pull the hotel names and prices. On a US proxy, Booking.com loaded normally and listed prices in dollars without hassle. But keep in mind that, while impressive, Camoufox isn't magic. It won't get you into every site. Amazon and Zillow still blocked our setup. These sites analyze network fingerprints, behavior patterns, and advanced CAPTCHA systems. That's why getting past modern bot detection often takes more than just a stealth browser. When the browser layer isn't enough, Web Scraping API takes over. You send a URL, and it handles the blocks, JavaScript rendering, and CAPTCHAs, then returns clean, structured data. Now, if you want something lighter, our site unblocker is a drop-in proxy that deals with these challenges for you. So let's recap. Install Camoufox, route it through residential proxies, and you'll get past most of the bot detection. For the hardest targets, bring in Web Scraping API or Site Unblocker. For the complete code, scaling tips, login handling, and how Camoufox compares to Playwright and 𝗪𝗵𝘁'𝘀𝗀𝗃, check out the blog linked below. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more web scraping tutorials and proxy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.